To do a Danish knot, bring your needle up at the top of where you want your little triangle knot to be. And then bring your needle down to the right on the bottom right hand side of the triangle. Next, bring your needle up on the bottom left of the triangle. And now we're going to take our needle and we're going to, from the right side, slip it underneath this stitch that we made. And make sure that your needle's coming up above this thread here. Pull that through, and you don't want to pull it too tight because otherwise it will distort your stitches. Next, we're going to take it through the same way under this first stitch here, just down in this little corner right here. So down through there, and then again you want your needle above this thread here. Bring that through. Give it a little tiny tug, but make sure you're not distorting anything. And you can use your finger to kind of make sure that stays where it's supposed to. And then to finish it off, we're just going to go down in the same hole right here on the bottom left to tack it down. Just a tiny little stitch in the same hole. So again, needle up at the top of our triangle. Do a diagonal stitch down and to the right, to the bottom right hand side of the triangle. Bring your needle up to the bottom left of the triangle. Slide the needle under that stitch and above the thread here. Bring this around again and slide it under this small part under the stitch here and over the thread again. Make sure everything's nice and even. And then go down in this bottom left of the triangle again to tack that down. Again, up through the top, down on the bottom right, up through the bottom left, slide our needle under the stitch over the working thread, then slide our needle under that first stitch again and over the working thread again. Straighten everything out and bring our needle back down in the bottom left. And that is how you do a Danish knot.